In the last video we have seen how to create a new window in Tkinter. Let's run it. You can see this, there is a title. This is the default title, which is TK. So in this video we will learn how to change this title, or you can also say we will set a custom title for our window. So whatever changes you are going to make, or whatever features you are going to add in this window, you have to mention that in between these lines, like the creation of your window and this main loop. So all the things goes here. Now we'll set the title. So for that there is a built-in method which is title. You can use this method, and if you hover on this, you can see that is taking string parameter. So make sure that you put double quote or single quote, both will work fine. And under this double quote you have to write your title, your custom title. For example, I am writing code speed. So now if I run this program, you can see that title has been changed. It's now code speedy. And there is another method to do this same, which is using window manager class wm underscore title. Both of these will work fine. For example, I am now taking it hello, so our window title will be hello. You can see it, I have changed the title. And so what's the difference between title method and wm title method? Both will work exactly in the same way, but wm is a vast method class. Like if you just put underscore, you can see there are a lot of predefined methods under it. So we'll later on do a lot of stuff using this wm method. So just stay tuned and wait for it. For now, I will suggest you just put this method to change your title. And one more thing is that if you are wondering that what will happen if you write down the both method at the same time to change your title, so what will happen? You can check it by yourself. I have written hi for the first one and hello for the wm title method. Now let's run it. You can see wm title method is working here. It's not because you have written wm title, it's because whatever title you will be setting at the end of your program, that will be working. Like if I change the sequence like this and paste it below, then hi will be working. So that's the thing. See you in the next video. Just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.